Hiya everyone! So today is a Friday. Yeah, I'm gonna get that day right. Still in bed even though it's just gone past like 12:30. So the plan for today, as you all know, if I'm doing a vlog, I'm going to be going somewhere like a museum or art gallery, and today I'm going to be going to the V&A Childhood Museum. So I've actually been there twice, but on each separate occasion it was on like different floors, different areas, and I still need to finish going through the whole museum because I like to go through it slowly, take in what I'm seeing. So today I'm going to go in like an hour after I eat some lunch and get ready, and I'm going to see if I can finish the museum today. And then later on I'm meeting my friends at 4 o'clock to eat something. I think we're going to eat around like 5 before we go to the cinema to see Aladdin at 6 p.m. So that's the plan for today, and yeah, gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm walking back to my flat. I was gonna go straight to the station, but like, yeah, my friend's gonna take a while, so I don't need to go right now, and my ulcer hurts, so I'm gonna go back and numb my mouth because it really hurts right now, and then go to Stratford to meet my friends. Whew. Okay, so I'm finally back home, and yeah, just did a, well, it's on my top outfit change because it's like really humid outside, so I'm like, I have to wear, like, everyone's wearing a t-shirt because it's just so hot even though it's not sunny. Oh, and there is some wind, but it's like warm wind, so it's like I have to change when I get back, or else I'm going to be so sweaty when I get there, and it's like, that's not really nice sitting in the cinema all sweaty. So yeah, outfit change, and gonna rinse my mouth with mouthwash to get this numb feeling, a numb feeling in my mouth through this ulcer. That's so bad. Hi guys, so now I am finally back home. As I told you guys, I went to see the movie Aladdin, and it was actually really good. So I wasn't sure at first because obviously everyone saw that trailer with Will Smith as the genie and the CGI, and it was kind of weird, but in the end it was actually alright. It was great. Loved the songs in it. Obviously that was the main part. And yeah, it actually made me tear up a bit, like near the end kind of part, and yeah, it was just a really good day. Nice to see my friend as well. One of my other friends couldn't make it, unfortunately, so hopefully I'd see them before graduation, and hopefully I see like all the kind of other lot on my course before graduation. Be nice to have, like, you know, a final meal or something. So yeah, thanks for watching. Write a comment down below of what you think, what you would like to see me do next. Like this video if this is the type of content you like, and yeah, subscribe for more. So yeah, bye, see you guys next time.